Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna have a basic tutorial on how to use PartnerStack.com. Now, of course, PartnerStack is an affiliate marketing platform where we can connect, earn, and grow. So right now, we're here on their homepage with a 1-minute video, presumably by the devs. And in fact, just to mention, if you go to the About Us section, there's something about pancakes. And I'm not really sure what this is about, but if you like pancakes, I know I do. Maybe there is an incentive for us to use PartnerStack after all. Now let's get back to the homepage. Now these two are the main things we should focus on once here. If you are a vendor, you can go and, as we quote, empower your partners by managing the relationships and whatnot. You can book a demo if you would like, and let's see what this looks like. If you want to book a demo with their team, here are the different details that are required. But since I am not a vendor, we will simply close this tab for now. However, this is what you can expect if you are. Now, there are two ways to get started. We can join the network directly by clicking here, or we can click on Get Started. Once we do click Get Started, it will still lead us towards the same two paths: be a vendor if you want to be a vendor, or if you want to be a partner and a publisher. For this video, we will be explaining how to become a partner. So let's click on Join the Network, and from here we will need to type in our address. Now in my case, I simply logged in with my Google account, and once you've signed up, this is what your dashboard would look like. This is the homepage. You can browse for new programs, update your profile, and create or invite your team. This is just invitations, partnerships. This is the commissions chart. And here we have our activity. Further down below, we have the terms and agreements. We have the rules and the support center. Of course, if we go back to their homepage, we can see all of the different features that they are advertising. We scroll down below, we will see that they have 100,000 active partners, their different influencers, document status, pricings, and everything else. But from here, let's try to see what we can do with our profile. This is what the profile page would look like, and in the main tabs we have our profile and members and invites, withdrawal receipts, permissions, integrations, and team settings. Integrations would be with the different applications that we're using. Now anyway, if we scroll down below, you can create your business name, select your country, what should program managers provide when reaching out, describe your business, and here are links that you can use. Now, of course, you don't necessarily need a website like a custom URL or a custom domain. What you just need is something that can help anyone understand what your business is about. While, of course, having your own website would be beneficial, it's perfectly fine to use social media, blog sites, and whatever website you have that describes what your business is about. You can have up to 6, in fact, and a LinkedIn profile is mandatory, along with the main website of any platform where you have chosen to set up your business. You can add a logo. There are specifications of what logo you can use. And further down, here are more options on describing what kind of partner you are. And here we have everything from affiliate marketing, an agency, influencer, publisher, a referral partner, reseller, value-added reseller, managed service provider, and system integrator. This is some IT stuff, I believe. Now, here you can manually scroll down to see what kind of business you're into, what type of customers do you work with, but it's actually a number of how much employees you have. And here we can see where your audience is located. As you can see, there's only Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, South America, and North America. Here are the types of sales channels that we use, and here are the different commission structures that we can prefer. Now, of course, this is only a preference. I believe it affects the algorithm of the partners we prefer, but otherwise, of course, this is still info that other partners would like to know. We even have a terms of service link if you have one, and a media kit link. And that concludes what we have over in our profile page. I will only be briefly going through the rest of this, but first let's go over to members. So we can see I'm the only member here. You can invite via link or via email. The withdrawal receipts, of course, I do not have any yet, but your address is required for you to withdraw via PartnerStack. As with roles and permissions, of course, if you have a team, here are the different permissions that each role has, and some of the permissions can even be ticked on or off, as we can see here. And here on integrations, we have HubSpot for easier tracking of leads. In team settings, currently, these are the only options we have. Notifications to receive when someone joins your team, and a button to delete your team. Of course, I do not have that button because I do not have a team. Now, let's go over to commissions. There are different types of commissions between pending and approved, and here we can sort out where the commissions are from which program, and what amount. Of course, we do not have that, along with the withdrawals. Of course, that will be empty. But if we set up our withdrawals, where I'm at, these three are the only options I have. Now, as we can see, direct deposit and Stripe are the fastest ways to do it. However, nowadays, it is convenient if you have money on your PayPal, and it's also a good thing that we can see the maximum amount of withdrawals. However, if we look at these payout methods, only the direct deposit to bank does not have any cap on the maximum amount you can withdraw. In Stripe, we have greater fees, but you can have it more conveniently within 5 days, and it is an app that you can use similar to PayPal. However, if we are withdrawing a larger amount, of course, direct deposit is what we can go with. But of course, it is your money. It is your choice on the payout method that you prefer. In fact, you might be seeing more where you're located, but these are the only ones that I see from where I'm at. Now let's go to the most important part, the partnerships. This is how we are going to earn our money, by applying to the network. Of course, applying to the network may take some time as they are trying to verify whether or not you are a credible partner, because we will be partnering up with companies. So simply keep that in mind. They have some highlighted programs over here with Apollo.io, Multiplier, and Fresh Service by Freshworks. And down below, we even have categories if you would like to explore those. And these are all the categories of the partnerships that we can have. If we go down, there are featured ones based on the top ones, the new ones, the trending ones, and then we have specific categories like accounting, AI, collaboration, content management, customer service, design, development, e-commerce, human resources, marketing, office software, sales, security, and social media. Let's simply go to all programs. Now we can see on the left-hand side, there are even more options on how you can filter to help you find exactly what kind of partner you are looking for. And let's say we are going for affiliates. Let's say we are going for fewer than 500 partners. Let's say less than 24 hours. Free trial available. Well, this is a bit too narrow, I believe. Now let's say revenue share and cost per lead. So these are the only ones that we have based on the filters we have ticked on. Now let's say we just want to have affiliates. We have a lot more options over here. Now let's say I want to apply with ClickUp. Since we have covered ClickUp before, here is their offers and commission structure. $12 sign up from tier 2 countries. If we look at this URL, we will be redirected to a page that looks like this, and then you can either skip to continue to their page, or it will automatically bring you to this page within 10 seconds. Now this is the full details of what their affiliate program would look like. As you can see, these are the deemed tier 1, what is deemed tier 2, and what is deemed tier 3. And as you can see, there is quite a gap of the commissions you'll be receiving from where they are signing up from. You can see the date this is effective, and that is the full list of ClickUp's affiliate program. If we go back to PartnerStack, this is what their program has. The program's details. There is a free trial for customers, and here is their terms of service. Now, I would have to join the PartnerStack network before we can apply to any program. So let's go ahead and join the PartnerStack network. Now, let's just check the boxes of which we believe would apply. We need our website, our LinkedIn, and the country, and what our business is about. Now, for the purposes of this video, I will simply be entering samples on this one. And on the final tab, we will simply have to choose what industries we focus on, the channels, our audience, location, most of the info that we've previously looked over at the profile page, but with the addition of the monthly audience size. Once you've selected everything that applies from here, this is when you can apply to the network. Of course, let's read the note that PartnerStack will always evaluate your profile and your activity on the network. Therefore, they have the right to limit your access to networks and programs as they see fit. simply keep that in mind. Now let's go back because I will not be applying to the network right now, but my advice is simply make sure that all the linked websites that you have, the ones that you link to the PartnerStack network, and the ones that you have over in your profile are 100% legit. That is the only advice I can give to make sure that you can become part of the PartnerStack network. And once you are part of their network, that is when we can go over to sign up with the different partners hosted on the site. And I would like to conclude this tutorial here. Once again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.